This home have 2 guest bedroom areas, which functions just like a private hotel. Here we have a study desk table that acts as a dressing table as well, for the guests to do their makeup or even some work if they have to. Although the design of this bedroom was made mostly with the wood grain tone, but we created a lot of group line details so that it doesn't have that boring design that we always see. And we added a lot of accents, also black metallic features like this hanging pole. And if you see throughout the house, the color scheme never stops. On the first floor of this house is the eldest son's bedroom area. Unlike the rest of the space in this house, this bedroom has a more dramatic wood tone color. At first we decided on a light tone color, but because of the masculine vibe and to have a little bit of difference aside from the other space, we chose a darker tone color match with this dark gray headboard, and everything else have similar design features as the rest of the house. Dividing the space between the bed area and the wardrobe is this TV panel, and it has a seamless console design. And the other side of this is the wardrobe area with a dressing table. The wardrobe area continues the same wood grain character with a little hint of metallic black laminate lining. It looks stunningly different and also masculine. The second bedroom on the first floor is a shared bedroom. When you enter the bedroom, first you will see this study space area with ample storage. And this cabinet design is meant to make it look less boring than the usual design that you always see. From this area, we turn directly into the wardrobe space. But which one is the wardrobe door? Actually, only this side of the cabinet is the wardrobe space. And on this side is seamless wall panels. But another surprise is that we have a hidden TV box seamlessly hidden on this side of the cabinet. Very convenient. This bedroom area is very relaxing. For 2 kids to stay, it can last up to their teenage years. It's really timeless and it is very functional.